Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about thermodynamics of air pollution. So, Unit 2, Air Pollution and Control. So, in that, first topic, metrology and dispersion of air pollutants. You should know what is metrology. For metrology, we should understand what is atmospheric science. So, atmospheric science classified into two major topics. First one is metrology, another one is climatology. So, metrology is study of atmosphere. It is a branch of atmospheric science which is aimed for weathering forecasting. So, due to forecasting method, we have many benefits. We can identify floods, heavy rains earlier, and also metrology helps to detect the air pollution at particular area. So this only very important. So in each region there will be different concentration of pollutant and air pollutions. So we all know cities like Delhi have polluted more comparing all other areas. Next, what is mean by climatology? It is a study of atmosphere and weather patterns over time. So metrology means for a minimum time we need to observe and helps the data for forecasting. But whereas climatology means during the year we need to observe the data and weather patterns, and that data will help for analyzing the weather patterns throughout the world, and it helps in understanding the atmospheric condition that cause them. Next, what are all the layers of atmosphere? We all know there will be 5 important layers. First one troposphere, second stratosphere, third one mesosphere, and another one is thermosphere and exosphere. So where it locates? Troposphere means from ground level to 12 kilometers, 0 to 12 kilometers. Stratosphere 12 to 50 kilometer, mesosphere 50 to 80 kilometer, thermosphere 80 to 700 kilometer. Exosphere means beyond 700 kilometers. Next, meteorological factors. First, meteorological factors which influence the air pollution and dispersion of air pollutant at certain area. That meteorological factors primarily classified into two types. First one is primary factor, second one is secondary factor. Primary meteorological factors deals with wind direction and speed, atmospheric temperature and atmospheric pressure. Whereas the secondary factors deals with precipitation, humidity and solar radiations. So wind direction and speed. In unit 2 we have one separate topic called windrows diagram. That windrows diagram will help in identifying the wind direction and speed in a particular area. Mostly each airport there will be calculation of wind speed and wind direction. Okay, the wind speed and direction are crucial factors in understanding the weather pattern. So we all know meteorological factors means it helps in prediction the future forecast. Atmospheric temperature, it can be either Celsius or Fahrenheit, sometimes measured in Kelvin also. If 0 Kelvin means that is absolute zero, the point at which all molecular motion ceases. Next, pressure. So atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of the air above a specific point on the surface of the earth. Next, secondary factors. Precipitation. We all know precipitations classified into many types. First one is rain, snow, sleet, hail, and freezing rain. So, depending upon the size of the droplet, we can classify it into many types.